Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Paulies Kitchen. My name's Paulie and this is my kitchen. In today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to make an awesome lasagna. Absolutely everything's from scratch. Here's some pasta that I made earlier. I made the bechamel, which is here, and everything else that you will need is right here. I'll be putting those in the info box below, so do check out there. Guys, we're going to crack straight on. We're going to make a wicked lasagna. Woo, let's go. So here's the garlic hack. Get a sharp knife, pull down on the clove and pull it straight out without the skin. Mince this garlic clove up and put this in a little bowl for later. So take a carrot and a peeler, peel your carrot and mince this up as well. Once you've done that, get a medium onion and dice this up. So roll your pasta through the pasta machine, get the video here. Light your stove, put a frying pan on the stove, bounce the bottle off your arm twice, catch on the back of your hand. Well, don't, because you might drop it like I did last week. Anyway, put the oil in the frying pan and add your diced onions. Saute these for a few minutes until they go white and then add your minced garlic. Pan fry this until it goes translucent and add in 500 grams of lean minced beef. So keep pan frying this until it goes a nice brown, something like this. Add in your minced carrot. Add in a bowl of chopped tomatoes, catch the video here, and also add in a glass of red. Saute this and reduce it down until it looks like this. Take it off of the heat and get a small handful of basil leaves and chop these up fine. Sprinkle this on top. So taking your pasta sheets, get a sharp knife, cut roughly the size of your baking dish that you're going to be using. So stack these up. Once you've done all that, you're now ready to build your lasagna. So get your bechamel sauce, your baking dish and your ragu. Spoon your ragu into the bottom of the baking dish just like this and flatten it all down nice to make a nice layer. So add the first layer of pasta on top of your ragu, making sure you get right into the corners, and add a layer of bechamel sauce just like this. Spread out to the edges. It's time to add another layer of ragu. Add your pasta just like this, tucking into the corners, and then spread all over your bechamel sauce so it looks like that. So grate some cheddar cheese all over the top, making sure you get into all the corners like this, and pop this into your oven at 180 degrees for about 30 minutes. Once it's cooked, pull it out of your oven and your lasagna is ready. And voila, there you have one epic, lovely Italian lasagna. Woo! So yeah guys, that's how you make a lasagna from scratch. I mean, look at it, it looks absolutely delicious. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves. Do hit that subscribe button. Do hit that bell button so you do find out when I'm going to release my next video. I'm going to sign off now because I'm going to tuck into this. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.